Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Abhilash back, and this is my first vlog with my new camera. So, last time I made a video, I showed you that I bought a new car cover. So, when I bought this, he told me that it's waterproof and dust resistance. So, yes, it's kind of a waterproof. Like I told you guys that I'm gonna share the review after a certain usage. Yeah, now I'm gonna share the review about this. And there is one sad thing happened with my car. If you can see over here, this is what the dogs, like the dog which I've done. So I think like this happens while the teeth start growing with the dog, like which is like it's happened up to 1 year. So the dog has stayed torn, this particular car cover, which is really disappointing, but not what to do. It's my mistake that I have parked my car outside, wherein I don't have the parking facility. It's very small and tiny home. That's the reason this has happened. It's my mistake. I really don't want to blame the dog. uh, Only thing is I can make some uh, arrangements, so wherein next time this is never gonna happen. So let me talk about this particular car cover. So wherein, like I said, this is like what he told me. It's kind of it's a waterproof. Yes, when you open the car cover and look at the bottom part, this is a rubbery silicone coating kind of thing. Yeah, this actually kind of a waterproof, but it's not 100% waterproof. If you can just check over here, it's not completely wet. Let me just take it closer. So there is a bit of moisture over here, if you can see, but this is not 100% waterproof. The water enters from these stitches. Okay, so I wanted to share you this. So you can see here the water is already like over here. From this particular part, water will not enter. The water will enter only through this stitching part. So yes, it's dust proof, because one of my subscriber commented in the comment section to confirm whether this is dust proof and where he can buy this. So yes, this is 100% dust proof. Okay, from the above, like wherever you cover it, and there is no way where dust can enter to the car. It's 100% dust proof, but it's not 100% waterproof, because the water will always enter to this stitchings. And yeah, so this is the brand of this particular cover. Comes with mirror. Actually I this is not the actual fitting of my car. I think this is for for all these models. So this is little bit bigger, not very much bigger, but little bit bigger in terms of size. And it's literally loose. Actually it's not actually like fitting properly. It has excess the front and the back. And I paid around 2500 rupees. Yes, when I checked on other car cover which has like dust proof or a waterproof kind of thing, it was costing me around 3000 4000. Even this cover, when I spoke to him, he told me that it would cost around 5000 rupees, actually 4 to 5000. Then I did some bargaining and I bought this. I bought this from Shivaji Nagar. It's just behind the Shivaji Nagar church. As soon as you enter, on the right side you will be able to see the Shivaji Nagar bus stand, and on the left side you will be able to see an underpass. Next to that there is a small gully which is behind the church, where you will be able to find the stores. Like there are like too many shops. You just check, see whether it has got a rubber coating at the bottom or a silicone coating, which will prevent water entering. It's actually raining, so I'm gonna enter inside. Okay, and then you can, okay, let me just get in. It's actually raining over there, so I have to just okay, so I think this is fine now. Yes. Yeah, I was talking about the shop. Yes, you can buy it over there. This is available in all the shop. Like you find like 20-30 shops only has this kind of like tarpaul, car covers and other thing. Make sure you make a proper deal and then purchase it, and they will tell you that they will be giving you a warranty and guarantee, but there is no such warranty and guarantee. Make sure you open the cover, check it, and then make the payment and take the product. So that's it, guys. It was just a review of my car cover which I bought, and definitely if you are going for a cotton one, it will hold the cloth material will hold the water on your car, and it will become really difficult to dry. So when you go for these kind of things, which is water and dust resistance, which is actually good, it will dry very soon, and you don't have to do anything. You have to just open the car, just wipe your wind little bit, make like wipe your windshield, and then you can take the car out. So that is how this gonna work. So that's it, guys, for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like this video, and please let me know your feedback and suggestion in the comment section and help me in making a better video. That's it. Catch you in my next video. Till that, stay tuned. Bye bye.